icon on the status.
Candy? Wait lang.
Candy. May jinky.
Ang Jamie, bilis na mga ako.
Dapat lang.
Ruben.
Okay.
Ang layo na.
Hindi, mamaya sa round 2.
Kasama, didikit mo na rin.
Round 2 yan, round 2. Dun sa taas.
Okay.
Okay, sandali ulitin ko. Pag dakma, dapat yung unang makapagpakita na sa taas Hindi yung unang doon lang. Okay? Question!
Okay, under History tab in SSP Workflow, by clicking the blank icon, that would tell you the exact... Okay.
Details.
Oh, wrong. Ah? No, wrong.
Okay.
Ay, no.
Wala pang isil. Tuloy ang question.
Okay. Under the History tab in SSP Workflow, by clicking the blank icon, that would tell you the exact description of the callout on the order. What is this icon?
Call flow?
No.
Hindi natin.
Wala. The answer is the exclamation point
Exclamation.
icon.
Pag may ganun. Wait, people. We're not just playing. We are enhancing what you've learned. Di ba sa SSP may exclamation point?
Yes.
Pag click mo siya, saka mo makikita yung details.
Yes.
Okay? Question?
Okay. Pag wala na kasagot ng question, then anybody can answer, okay? Okay. Para alaman natin. Question?
Question number 1.
7.
Question number 7, go.
Blank status on VDI indicates that the install order is complete. Wait. 4, 3. Yes.
Yay!
Ay, sorry.
Ano ko na?
Ha? Turn mo na. Turn mo.
Kayo.
Wala po ko dito.
Hindi, huwag kayong masyadong mag-alala. NPA rice. Rice lang yan.
Okay? Question number 8.
Question.
Blank status indicates that the wiring job is complete but it's not necessary.
Pag-isa niyo pang beef.
Ah, tama.
Siyempre, kailangan may ano eh.
Okay. Teka. Okay?
Wait. 35 may 25 pa.
Oy, lilipat si Aaron.
Recap. Leading number 1. Tatlo sa tayo.
Oy, Jimmy, kamabi ka naman dyan.
Game, tapos tatlo pa rin kayo.
Sila lang tali.
Paunahan ko sino makakasagot. Yung makakasagot, sila yung matatanggal. Yung dalawa may iwan, sila magpe-perform. We're now playing for 20 points,
Oh.
Okay?